In front of me is OnePlus Pad Go, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access additional settings. Then tap on Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Then select Text Correction and tap on this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. Go back to your keyboard, and as you can see now, Suggestion Strip is visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!